guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this absolutely amazing Minecraft Park Edition. Now, it's actually going to allow me to head to My Little Pony's Dimension. If you guys actually want to go ahead and head to the My Little Pony Dimension for yourself, the name of the add-on is the Minecraft Park Edition My Little Pony Dimension add-on. Wow, that was a long name, guys. But everything you guys are going to need to head to this absolutely amazing dimension is in my inventory. So what you guys are going to need first, you're going to need pink wool. You go and place 2 of them just like that. Then what you're going to need is you're going to need light blue wool. And you go and place 1 of those on each side of the frame, guys. Then you're just going to go ahead and do not do that, guys. Do not place a blue wool in front of your frame because you will regret it. What you want to do is you want to jump on up on it. Then you want to place 1, 2, 3 pink wool, followed up by 1 light blue wool, guys. Then you just probably want to go ahead and look around, make sure that you don't see any suspicious activity. No suspicious activity, guys, at all. Oh my god, is that Herobrine riding on a pony? Probably not, guys. I probably just have a really good imagination. But let's go ahead and let's finish building this. You just want to go ahead and put 1, 2, 3 pink wool, then 2 pink wool in the middle, and then 1 light blue wool, and boom, you are finished. Now you can jump on down and take a look at your amazing, beautiful, epic frame. Wow, guys, this looks absolutely amazing. Let's go ahead and light this baby up. Boom. I hope you guys are wearing your sunglasses because wow, that's bright, guys. That is seriously blinding. Let's go ahead and head into this dimension now, guys. I'm backing up for added effect. Come on. Whee! Oh my god, I jumped straight through. I jumped straight through, guys. I cannot believe that. Hopefully this loads up quick, guys, and we are not old men by the time we make it. Oh my god, did it load up? Wow, that was quick, guys, and oh my god. This place is absolutely stunning, guys. Wow. Oh my god, and they have a humongous television. Wow, I absolutely love humongous televisions, guys. Just something about them I absolutely love. Let's go ahead and turn it on. What the heck? They obviously broke it, guys. But I'm going to go ahead and get my repair pick on it. You're going to repair that TV, right? No, it's on his favoriteest channel, guys. Which is just nothing, but I don't think he knows that. But what is this? They have some anvils. Oh my god, don't tell me they eat zombie heads. That would be super weird if they eat zombies' heads, guys. Like, that would be strange. Like, I hope they don't think I'm a zombie and try to eat my head. This looks like it's their sink, guys, or it could be their toilet. They're probably going to be upset at me, guys, if I poop in this toilet or the sink. Whatever it is, guys. And oh my god, they also eat skeleton heads. Oh my god, unless they sucked the meat right off of his head and it turned him into a skeleton. Wow, that would be strange, guys. And they also eat TNT? And rabbit feet? And fish? Well, I can kind of see fish, but rabbit feet? And zombie heads? That's just nasty, guys. Seriously nasty. And oh my god, right here is the bathroom. And what? You can see right through the bathroom there? Like, that's crazy, guys. Like, what if somebody's sitting on the toilet? And I can't even sit on the toilet because I'm too tall. But what if somebody, like my villager, is sitting on the toilet, and then I come up to look through, and I'm like, hey, are you in her, villager? And, like, I see something I don't want to see. That would be bad. That would be really bad. But you know what? I'm going to go ahead, and I'm going to take a dip in the pool, guys. What are you doing in her, villager? Get out of here. You can't be looking at me. Get out of here. Wow. I cannot believe that guy. Look at him. He really went running, guys. Obviously, we just use this as a toilet. Oh, that's much better, guys. Who needs this toilet? You know what? I'm going to go ahead and just blow this toilet up. Because nobody needs this stuff. Let's go ahead and run. Come on. Boom. Wow, it took a while for that TNT to blow up. Oh my god, I just realized something. How am I going to get up the staircase now? If I blew up the bathroom, which was located right underneath the staircase, so I also blew up the staircase, so now I'm not going to be able to make it up there. But you know what? Where there's a will, there is a way, guys. We're going to make it up the staircase, and we're hopefully going to meet one of these ponies. That's what I'm really hoping, guys, is we actually get to meet one of them, and they fall in love with me, and then they want to be my friend, and they want to go out on a date with me, because, you know, I really ain't got a lot of friends, and I also really ain't got nobody going out on a date with me right now. But you know what? It'll be all better when I meet up with them guys. So let's go ahead and... Oh my god, there's beds. And right here's the pony. Hi, do you want to date me? What? You already have a boyfriend? That's a stallion? Believe it or not, guys, that's what every woman says when I go to ask out. She says that she already has a boyfriend and he's a stallion, and she always denies me. You know what? It's so over. I'm just so done with you. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and leave. But first, let me go ahead and hug your TV, because this is beautiful. Wow, this is beautiful. Way more beautiful than you will ever be. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and jump. Yo, what? Now you want to date me? Really? Now she wants to date me, guys. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and give her her rabbit's foot. And I'm also gonna go ahead and take one more look at your beautiful, beautiful beds. If I was going to sleep in one of the beds, though, it would have probably been that green one. No, it would have definitely been that blue one. But you know what? I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to jump out of this window, and I'm never going to see you again. Well, yeah, I probably will come back to this house, because this house is absolutely amazing. You know what? I don't care if she denied me and then wanted to date me. Whatever it may be. You know, there was a whole house that was built after her, guys, in her likeness, and it's absolutely beautiful. She's not beautiful, but her house is absolutely beautiful, guys. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below, and also let me know what dimension you want to see me head to next. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.